Maverick. As explained in a previous segment, knowledge and skill can be taught, can be assessed, and can be measured. But attitude cannot be measured. It is impossible to measure a person's feeling towards or perception about something. And it is even more difficult to measure how much change has occurred in that person as a result of a specific training, education, or experience. Because correlations are not causations. We have seen how physical literacy is not a state but a disposition. Therefore, a child's physical literacy journey cannot be assessed. It can only be shared. For those who are naturally physical, ipsative assessments help map their journey. They can push them to improve and help them to set their own growth goals. Statistics and data can be very motivating for some, pushing them towards constant improvements, achieving their targets, making them want to better their own past standards. But for several others, statistics may disillusion them and stop them from participating in those activities. They may find even ipsative assessments still judgmental, even if it is their own making. Physical literacy is not about whether you achieved a specific end goal, a standardized outcome to be labeled as physically literate. It is about the effort you take consistently to honor your body. So at Maverick, we instill accountability through consistency. Are you consistent in your awareness and action? Do you need to have an inner war to do what enhances your physical literacy, or does it come naturally to you? Let us break that down. What enhances our physical literacy? Every moment when we feel embodied and have positive experiences, it enhances our physical literacy. What do I mean by that? Let us see some scenarios. Imagine you're seated on the sofa watching an interesting television show and you're not even aware that your posture has slackened, creating pressure on your spine. Are you physically literate? You may be enjoying the show, but you're not aware of your own posture. Imagine you need to get something from the next room or from the next floor, and you holler out asking someone to get it for you rather than get up and go do it yourself. Are you being physically literate? A pen falls down from your hand, and rather than bend down to pick it up, you try to pick it up between your toes. Are you physically literate? I'm sure your mind tricks you to think it is not easy to pick up a pen with your toes. But hey, if you're not bending down voluntarily, you're not being physically literate. You know that piece of food item is hard for you to digest, but you still reach out for it, rather than disappoint your colleague who has probably brought it for you. Are you being physically literate now? Do you need to sit to wear your pajamas or your pants? Or are you comfortable balancing on one leg as you wear them? Do you need to bend down to soap your feet in the shower, or do you have a stool for that? Do you know the minute your body warns you that something is not okay? Or do you need a battery of tests to become aware that your body is struggling with the weight of your own indiscipline? I can just go on and on and on. But the bottom line is, are you aware of your body and its needs as you sail or struggle through your day every moment? One of the tools Maverick provides to become aware is the Maverick Minute module. Stay in touch with your body by performing these simple 1-minute awareness activities right through the day. Use the Maverick app to exercise every day, watch our informative videos, and take responsibility for your well-being. Be aware, be accountable, be a Maverick. Maverick.